Here's how to install the Max app, formerly known as the HBO Max, on your Firestick. So it doesn't matter if you subscribe to the HBO service or have already added the app to your Firestick. If you don't already have Max, you can sign up for it or start a free trial directly from the app once it's installed. So first, on the Firestick home screen, click Find, select Search. Use the on-screen keyboard to type Max. Usually, you only need to type the first few letters. Click Max when it appears in the search results. Under Apps and Games, select the Max tile. Click Get if you are downloading Max on Firestick for the first time. If you have downloaded the app before, you should see the download option instead. Wait while Firestick downloads and installs the app. This may take a few minutes. When the app installs, click Open to launch it. And that's it. Max installation is now complete on your Firestick.